What's up friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to stop WhatsApp from downloading and saving photos to your gallery. Right, so what you want to do, go ahead and open up your WhatsApp here, and you want to tap on chat on the lower left hand side. Click the three dots on the uppermost right hand side, and you want to click on settings. Here you want to go ahead and click on chat again from the options there, and here on the chat settings you will see media visibility. In your case, if when you currently view a picture within WhatsApp from someone, if it currently downloads to your gallery, then most likely you have this toggle on. And once it is on, that means that whenever you view a picture within a chat message on WhatsApp, that will get automatically downloaded to your gallery. So what you want to do, like me, just go ahead and toggle it off so you can view images within WhatsApp, and this will not download to your gallery. And so forth. If you want to download images then to your gallery, you will have to double tap on those images and download them separately. So let me show you what you'll have to do then afterwards. So go ahead, open up any message that you want. And if you find an image that was sent to you by someone, let me go ahead and find an image here within the chat history here. So what you want to do, if you'd like to download this image, just click on the image, click the three dots on the uppermost right hand side, and then you want to click on save there. So once you tap on save, it will be saved automatically. Now, if you go back to your gallery now, you will have that image in your gallery. And that's all you have to do, guys. Very easy and very simple.